Hey guys, so in today's subscriber shout out, I will be shouting out Diaries with JT, which is a podcast that is here to help you explore yourself, enjoy your life as a person while plugging in fun, travels, career, premium enjoyment, self-care, self-love, self-respect, community impact, all while uploading your values. If you're interested in a very fun podcast where adulting meets vibes and vulnerability, I would definitely recommend that you check this out. I will leave a link to the podcast and a link to the social media platform on this video in the description box. So definitely check it out. All right, back to the video.